Hello, everyone. If you've never seen a video of mine before, I am Luminous Peak, your friendly neighborhood fae, on sabbatical, learning about Earth, all you mortals, and the hobbies that you all do. And today we are gonna do another sound test. It's been a little while since I've done one of these, and I'm looking forward to it. We built this bad boy a few days ago, and I'm eager to show you what he sounds like now. It's been a little while since I built him, and I did some tweaking here and there. I put all the foams in because it sounded a little hollow. If you want to know more about the specs, you can take a look at them below. But for now, what I want to do is at least just show off, just in general, what this keyboard is like. So this is the Capsule 65 by Pixelspace. As you can see here, it's got this space theme. It's got this cool strip here with my filthy fingerprints all over it. And really quickly, before we do the sound test, I do want to point out it's got this cool engraving here. Let's focus and see if we can, yeah. Designed by Pixelspace Studios since 2020. I just thought it was a nice touch. Alrighty, without further ado, we're gonna jump straight into the sound test. All right.